Madam Speaker, I thank the gentleman for yielding. I thank the gentleman from Washington, our friend, Representative Inslee, and, of course, Representative Nathan Deal. I am proud to be here to support this resolution, H.R. 710, in honor of our colleague, the late Dr. Norwood. Described the magnitude of the issue. I wasn't even aware that there were, as a physician, maybe I should be, but over 90,000 people who are on a waiting list, and a fourth of them each year get transplants, and only a very small number get a transplant from a living donor, as Representative Inslee pointed out. And, of course, Representative Deal just explained to us exactly what this cross-living donor program, how it would work. So it is an easy bill, Madam Speaker, to support for our late and dear friend and colleague, Dr. Charlie Norwood. Earlier this year, we passed a bill honoring Dr. Norwood by naming a VA medical center in Augusta, Georgia, the heart of his congressional district, in honor of the great work that he did on behalf of our veterans. I think my colleagues, Madam Speaker, know that Charlie Norwood served as a dental officer in Vietnam, in combat, got 2 Bronze Stars, I think a medical combat award. He was a great spokesperson on behalf of our veterans, but also in regard to health care. Before I was even thinking about running for this great office that I hold now, Madam Speaker, Charlie Norwood had that patient bill of rights. I think a lot of my colleagues would remember that, Madam Speaker. You indeed probably were here at that time. And so this is just another opportunity for us, not just to honor Dr. Norwood, but to realize that he worked so diligently on behalf of veterans issues and health care issues. So it's a great honor to be here today. And I'll tell you, on a personal note, my colleagues, Madam Speaker, I have a senior legislative assistant, Josh Waller, whose dad, Jerry, last year died while on a waiting list for a liver transplant. That was awfully painful for me to watch that happen to the dad of one of my great staff members. So this is a wonderful opportunity for us to do something really good for these people that Representative Deal, Representative Inslee described, that on these waiting lists that suffer dialysis. And as Representative Deal pointed out, the Senate amendment just changed it a little bit so that other organs other than kidneys, indeed, Dr. Norwood himself, as Representative Inslee pointed out, was the recipient of a lung transplant. Unfortunately, did not work for him. But God bless him, and I'm proud to be here today to support this bill. I urge all of my colleagues to do the same, and I